Welcome. In this video we are going to learn Netmask, which is information gathering tool in Linux. Netmask is another simple tool which does one thing, and that is makes a ICMP netmask request. By determining the netmask of various computers on a network, you can better map your subnet structure. Let's open up Netmask application, Linux information gathering, route analysis, Netmask. Or open terminal and type netmask space -h. This command open with the help option, basic usage of netmask space spec -v version prints version number -d, debug print status progress information, and so on. A specification can be any of the address plus address or a mask, so on. Let's output address or a netmask pairs in hex. Type netmask -x google.com. Here you can see that address and netmask in hex format. Type netmask -o google.com. Here you can see that address and netmask in octal format. Let's see in binary format. Type netmask -b google.com. Here you can see that address and netmask in binary format. So that's it in this video on Netmask information gathering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.